Are you ready to learn about one of the best new AI tools that just hit the market? In this video, we're diving into DrugCard Simple Search AI and the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know. If you're searching for a tool to streamline how you manage your healthcare prescriptions or just simplify your search for affordable medications, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end to discover why DrugCard Simple Search AI is worth checking out. And remember, you can try this software for completely free from the first link below. Let's start with the basics. DrugCard Simple Search AI is a cutting-edge software designed to make searching for medications and comparing prices as simple as possible. Whether you're managing prescriptions or just trying to find the best deals on over-the-counter drugs, this tool is built to save you time and money. One of the most remarkable features of DrugCard Simple Search AI is its ability to help you find the most affordable options for prescriptions. With just a few clicks, you can instantly compare prices at local pharmacies and online retailers. This alone could save you significant amounts of money, especially if you're dealing with multiple prescriptions or need regular medications. Another standout feature is the integration of AI-powered recommendations. DrugCard doesn't just give you basic search results. It uses AI to analyze your search and suggest alternatives or generics that could be more cost-effective. This makes it ideal for those who want to ensure they're getting the best value without compromising on quality or effectiveness. For those who worry about the complexity of healthcare and pharmaceuticals, DrugCard's interface is incredibly user-friendly. It's clean, easy to navigate, and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll be able to get up to speed quickly and make the most of the software without a steep learning curve. What's more, DrugCard also offers a helpful medication database. You can quickly look up information about different drugs, including side effects, dosages, and interactions. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to stay informed about their medication and ensure they're taking the right product safely. You'll also appreciate the speed of this tool. Unlike many other software options, DrugCard Simple Search AI provides fast and accurate results, making it a top choice for people who need quick access to medication information and prices. As a digital marketer, I've tried hundreds of different AI tools, and I can confidently say that DrugCard Simple Search AI stands out from the crowd. The user experience is smooth, the AI functionality is spot on, and it's packed with features that actually make a difference in your day-to-day life. It's refreshing to see a tool that does exactly what it promises without any fluff or unnecessary complexity. Lastly, I recommend sticking around till the end, because I'm going to share some of my top AI software recommendations after using thousands of different tools. These are tools I trust and use personally, and I'll tell you exactly where you can try them for free. So, to recap, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and cost-saving AI tool to help with your medication needs, DrugCard Simple Search AI is definitely worth checking out. It's simple, efficient, and packed with features designed to save you time and money. Don't forget to click the link in the description to give it a try for free. Thanks for watching, and remember, I've got my top recommended AI software listed below for you to try at no cost. After trying thousands of tools, these are the ones I trust to get the job done.